Moving box removed moving files, moving downloaded movies from your phones to from the application to your phone. I think on their last update. So I want to show you how you can another way you can still move those. So I want to show you how you can still move those movies you have downloaded from movie box to your phone storage. So to avoid, I know most of you guys while watching movies on movie box, you experience this advertisement, 10 seconds advertisement. So it's very very frustrating seeing advertisement in middle of a movie that you love so much. And the worst part is that that moment, that part you are watching, and the advertisement comes up, pumps up like that. It's very, very annoying. So, without wasting any time, let's jump into the tutorial. So, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to download this application. The name of the application is Z Achiever, Z Archiver, or Z Achiever, you know how you call it. This application. Wait, this application. The app is not coming up here. But this app, this my last app here is the application. Here it is written Z Archiver. So we download the application from Play Store, Google Play Store, and then you make use of the application. So after downloading movie from movie box, let me enter my movie box. Wait. So this is movie box. This is how movie box looks. So let me go to my downloads, and so these are the movies I've already downloaded. Rebel Moon, Percy Jackson, Predator, one of them, there's all of them. So I've downloaded all of them, and I watched them on movie box before I noticed this trick on movie box, how to watch the movies out of how to watch those movies not on movie box but on VLC or on your normal phone video shower, anything you call it. So most of those files work well. After moving them to your phone, make sure you play it with VLC. So to avoid any issues, VLC will play it very very well and give you everything you want. So without any further ado, let's move one movie from our our movie box to normal phone storage. So let's now go to our Z Achiever. Once you go to Z Achiever, this is how it looks like. If I start it, this is how it looks like. Go to Android. Go to Android. Then data, and then be watching be watching be watching You're watching all these icons. This is the that is why we are going to use this application Zachiva. It shows you the icon of the application that owns the data. So this is the icon of the app that owns the data. So for easy identification of movie box, because they changed their name. It's no longer called movie box. So look for it. Look for the icon with the movie box icon. Okay, this is it. See it here. Movie box. You can see it. Then it is written community one room. We open it. It is written community one room. We have now seen the name of the data community one room. So now we now download this application. The name is files. See the application here. We download the application from Play Store. The application from Play Store. The application will give you access to the data of that movie box. So once you go to Play Store, search files and search for the application that uses that their icon looks like this one. So that is it. Once you have downloaded it, let's open it. So let's now go to Android and data. Let's now look for community one room. Okay, see it here. Community one room. See it here. Files. Download. Wait. Android Chrome. Okay, you entered into Android Chrome. That is not community. Okay, see community one room. Files. Download. This D is those files you downloaded. Then D. So this is all the movies you have downloaded on movie box. So you can these are the movies I have downloaded on movie box. So you can now move anyone you want from here to your phone storage. Okay, let me see. I want to move this Percy Jackson Olympus season 1. Then okay, I'll hold on it and click these three dots on the top, and then move to, then you click here, click your phone storage, and then you can now move it to here. So moving one item. So this is the movie Percy Jackson. Then you now go to your VLC. Wait. Now go to your VLC. So we're going to wait so that the files will refresh and the new ones will come in. Okay, see it here. See it here. Okay, you can see movie. The movie is playing. The movie is playing. So that is it. So guys, this is how you can avoid those ads on so this is how you avoid those ads on movie box, those annoying ads on movie box, and watch your movies peacefully. So guys, thanks for your likes, subscribes, and sharings, and also comment on this video if you don't understand any one of the steps or any steps I have taken, and also like and share this video for to your friends that might need it also. So that is it. Thanks guys.